Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very special day because we are going to try out iMethod Beauty's eyeliner stamp. iMethod reached out to me and asked if they could send me their eyeliner stamp, and basically they wanted me to try out their eyeliner stamp. This is so cool. You see this on Instagram all the time or on TikTok, and I've always wanted to try it, but it's never really readily available like at Ulta or Sephora. Comment down below if you guys heard of a brand from Ulta or Sephora that actually has a wing liner or eyeliner stamp. Maybe I just haven't heard of it yet. Basically, iMethod Beauty is one of the most leading retailers on Amazon that sells their brow stamp as well as the wing liner stamp. If you guys are interested in any of those products, I'll link their shopping link down in the description box below. Here's what's so special about this video. They agreed to sponsor 3 winners of the eyeliner stamp, guys, to 3 of my subscribers. I will link the rules on how to enter in the description box below, so definitely check that out. But basically, you have to be subscribed to my channel as well as iMethod's Beauty YouTube channel. You guys know I'm not the best at wing liners, and I feel like this is such a perfect way for beginners to learn how to do their wing because it kind of does part of the step for you. So I'm so excited to try this. A lot of times the most difficult thing about doing a wing liner is that it's hard to match, and I feel like this one is really going to help you be more precise with doing your wing, and at the same time it's a faster process. So in this package, guys, it looks like there's 2, and this is super first impression. Usually I go in and research more about the product, but I really wanted to get this video out to you guys and let's just see first impressions. Oh, okay, so here it is. It comes in 2 pencils, and one says right and one says left. That's interesting. So let's see, this is the left one. Whoa, look at that. Oh my gosh, I hope I figure this out. This is the left wing, I'm guessing. And let's see what's on the other side. It's a 2-sided pen. Oh, okay. And then it has the actual liner where you complete and finish off your wing. So let's go ahead and try this, guys. So this is the left one. So this is for my left eye. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. I don't know. I hope I'm doing this right. The angle. I want a more natural wing. So I'm going to try to go more in. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look how quickly that went. I think I'm like a little too inwards. Okay, let's see if I can fix that or correct that. Oh my gosh, that was so easy to correct. Okay. And you know what, guys? With how the wing is laid out, you can even have it just like this and call it a day. Like just having the outer wing at the edge. It's so pretty. I'm sweating like a pig here, guys. Okay, let's try the other one, the right one. Ooh, okay. Again, the challenge is making the wings match, but I am loving this wing right now. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I kind of went in at first. Okay. You know, the folds in my eyes is keeping it from doing a clean wing, but you can always fill it out with the other end of the pencil. I love that. I love that it kind of created the shape. The wings pretty much look exactly the same. I didn't have to give it much thought. Super easy. And now we just fill it in. So all right. And this is a felt tip. It's a little stiff, but it's also pretty thick. So I don't know how precise that wing can be, but I am loving it. This one's having a little bit more issue because I have folds in my eyes, but otherwise, guys, it's not that bad. Okay, let's bring it in. And oh, look at that. I hope you guys can see that. It's so clean and sharp. Oh, that was so easy. And if there's one thing I learned about doing wings, guys, is don't try to fix it. Once you get it to an acceptable shape, stop. I'm gonna bring this in about halfway in just to make it match with the other eye. There we go. Okay. I love how pointy and precise the wing is. There's a benefit to this stiffness, and I thought that it was gonna give me like chubby wings, but it was actually very precise, so I'm really loving this. I am back, guys. I love how this wing looks. I love how easy it was to use this stamp. Once you get used to using this, I think this is gonna help you do your wing in like 2 seconds. No biggie. And I think that's what I love about the product. The ease and beginner friendly, I feel like. The iMethod Beauty is allergy tested, hypoallergenic, non-irritating, clinically tested, dermatologist tested. Okay, so it's been tested, but is it approved? While allergy is extremely rare, there's still a possibility that you can kind of be allergic to the liner. It's good that this is tested and that it's at least safe. And then also this is not waterproof, guys. So keep that in mind. Yeah, and that is it, guys. Thank you so much to iMethod Beauty for sending me this. If you want your own box of the iMethod Beauty wing liner stamp, definitely, guys, you need to enter in this giveaway. So check out the rules in the description box below in case I forget anything. The details are in the description box, and I'll make sure to pick a winner within a week. So if you are interested, guys, do it now, do it quick. Go check out iMethod Beauty. I'll have their Instagram and YouTube channel in the description box below as well. And with that said, good luck to each and every one of you, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.